Hello everyone, I've got a fun one for you today. This one's called the Laser Beam Challenge. In this activity, it's going to get you working on some balance skills, some coordination, but also we're going to be thinking in this one. So in this one, this is an obstacle course. So what I've done here is I've created a laser beam course here, an obstacle course, and I just used some string today and some tape. Now you could use things like tape. If you've got some stretchy bands, those may work as well. So there's a number of things that you could use to try to make your course. Some modifications that you could have for this obstacle course. You could have the Laser Beam Challenge as part of another obstacle course where you're working on other skills such as hopping or skipping, some static balance as well. So you could add other parts to your obstacle course here. So the goal of the obstacle course here with the Laser Beam Challenge is to get from one side to the other without touching any of the laser beams, any of the strings or the tape, whatever you happen to be using. So you're going to need to use coordination and balance. You're also going to be needing to think about how you're going to get from one end to the other without touching any of the laser beams. You can make your course more difficult by having more laser beams or having them all the way from the ground all the way up high. You'll have to think a little bit more about how you might get past those laser beams. It's going to be a little more difficult for you. If you want to make it a little bit easier, you would have less laser beams. It's going to make it a little less challenging for you. A couple of safety pieces. Please make sure that when you are trying this, that you have enough space to move safely, that you are not near any stairs. When you are connecting your laser beams, use something like tape so if you do happen to trip on it or if you fall, it will just come off easily and you will not trip or potentially get hurt. So please make sure that you are being safe as you are trying the Laser Beam Challenge. So I'm going to be starting my Laser Beam Challenge over from this side here. I'm going to see if I can make it all the way over to you without touching any of the laser beams. Here I go. All right. Again, using some balance. I'm going to have to use some coordination. Oh, it's tight here. All right. So it seems I've made it to the end of our Laser Beam Challenge. Give it a try at home. Let me know how it goes. It was lots of fun. Thanks, everyone.